Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anjul Kumar. Today I am going to show you in this video a brand new app that will pay $8 for absolutely free, and this app is all in PayPal, Pay and Paytm. Okay friends, before going to the video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. Then you can see a notification as soon as we upload the video. Now let's go to the video. This app name is PopTap. First, we need to open the app. When we open the app, it first asks for the invite code. Now, type the code you can see on the screen. Now, you get 40,000 coins. Okay, now click play button. What you have to do in this app is that there are balls inside these circles as shown. Press the balls of different colors to remove them and empty it completely. You need to see this ad to get the money you are looking for from the app. If you want to earn money from this app, you only have to do this. Very easy. Let's complete some more levels. Now, as you can see, in order to play the game, you have to watch an ad and gain access to the game. You should never access the game with coins. Always watch the ad and play the game. If you have 2 lakhs coins, you can withdraw. You can get your money through this app, Play PayPal, Pay and Paytm. Okay, so that's all there is to say about this app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And with the hope of seeing you in another video, I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day all of them.